We are at the Intel booth at Fyuz 22. I'm speaking to Petr Kastovsky, who is a product manager at Intel. So, Peter, tell us about what are you showing here and what does your company do?
I specifically represent a XFG group within Intel, which is a switch and fabric group, where we are building a programmable switch chips. And what we do here is we demonstrate the ability to leverage these programmable switch chips to address some of the use cases within the TIP ecosystem, and we specifically focus on the fixed broadband projects and OpenBNG.
Intel is very active in many different TIP groups, but what are the main project groups which you are active in?
The OpenBNG is our primary focus when I speak for the XFG team or XFG group. In general, there are many other projects where Intel participates. And again, if I speak specifically to the XFG projects and consortiums where we are active, it's mainly around P4 as an open language for programming data planes. We are also heavily contributing to Sonic, which is the Open Network Operating System. We are active in DPDK consortium, IPDK or eBPF. So there's a lot of activities on our end.
Wow, so you guys are really busy. So let me ask you, when you talk about disaggregation in general, so what do you think, how is that helping the industry and how are you actually helping the industry drive the change?
As you know, Intel can sort of touch the technology starting at the very bottom in the silicon. And even at that layer, we are sort of driving the disaggregation by adopting standards that allow to connect different chiplets from different companies. And by that, sort of driving ecosystems and choices for the customers. And then when you continue up the stack, we adopt and we support any, open standards, open interfaces, so that different partners can come and offer their options, their solutions for those particular use cases. And by that, we are making sure and we are helping to drive strong ecosystems, which eventually provide options to the service providers who are deploying the solutions. And if you take it one step further, it's basically a benefit for all of us and customers, because who doesn't like more services of better quality at lower costs?
How's your Fyuz experience been so far?
It's great to be on site personally, because after a while of lockdowns and working from home, it's really nice to be here and meet with people, and especially with people who are partners in this ecosystem, because we are all like-minded. Everybody here is pushing for the disaggregated networking, and so having the ability to meet people, exchange ideas, and help drive the next steps in these disaggregated open networks is really what makes this event really great.
You have seen the theme of Fyuz, right? So what's your favorite cuisine?
I really like different types of meat. So I'm a steak guy, and I also like seafood. And I had a chance to sample some of those around here. And yeah, I'm really enjoying it.
Great speaking with you, Peter, and thanks for explaining to us what Intel is doing in this whole open ecosystem. Thank you.
Thank you.